Today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply background effects in Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to keep your video calls professional, fun, or completely private. Whether you want a clean office look, blur your surroundings, or add a creative image, Microsoft Teams makes it simple. Let's dive in and make your meetings look their best. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or via the web. Sign in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the meeting you want to join. This could be through your calendar, a scheduled meeting, or a meeting link. Before you click Join, take a moment to look at the setup screen. Here, you'll see a small toolbar with your microphone, camera, and a few icons. Look for the background filters or background effects option, usually represented by a person icon with a background. Clicking this will open a menu of background settings. Microsoft Teams gives you several options. You can blur your background, which keeps your surroundings private while keeping you in focus. This is perfect for quick meetings or when you're in a busy environment. If you want something more personal or creative, you can select from preloaded images provided by Teams. Want to use your own custom background? No problem. At the bottom of the background menu, you'll see an option to add new image. Click this, select a photo from your computer, and it will appear as a background option. This is perfect for branding, virtual offices, or even fun-themed meetings. Once you've chosen your background, click Apply and turn on video. You'll see the effect instantly, and now your video feed has a polished, professional, or fun look depending on your selection. Don't worry, you can always change it mid-meeting by clicking the three dots for more actions, then apply background effects again. A quick tip, make sure your lighting is good and sit in front of a plain background if possible. This helps Teams detect you clearly and makes the background effect look seamless. And that's it. You've successfully applied background effects in Microsoft Teams. With just a few clicks, you can maintain privacy, boost professionalism, or add a little creativity to your calls. Experiment with different options to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tips and tutorials to level up your Microsoft Teams experience. Happy teaming!